It's hard to get an idea of what is actually the volume of gold and the weight of gold unless you've held it. So, and that's something not everybody gets a chance to do. So, in order to help kind of explain that, I went on to the usmint.gov and I got the diameter and thickness of quarters. And that would be the modern quarter, not the older quarter. And if you do the math on it, and you know what the volume is of an ounce of gold, and you know what the volume is of quarters, you'll find out that in millimeters, in cubic millimeters, 2 quarters is an ounce of gold is the equivalent of about 1.994 quarters in cubic millimeters. So from bar math, they're about the same. So when you talk about an ounce of gold, what you're really talking about is the equivalent of 2 quarters. Interestingly enough, however, if you start moving into the weight of an ounce of gold, part of what makes gold interesting. Now remember, quarters are about 90% copper, which is a heavier metal, but the weight of gold is actually about 5.5 quarters for our math. Interesting. Hope everybody else found it as interesting as I did. Have a good one.